Hello dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard 1st, semi-English, Urdu. Dear students, are you enjoying this math class? I know you are enjoying now. Very good. So, let's learn maths with more fun. Are you ready? तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स लर्न न्यू कंसेप्ट लेफ्ट राइट. आर यू रेडी टू लर्न लेफ्ट राइट? लेट्स स्टार्ट. See this picture. In this picture, this arrow is showing the right side and this arrow is showing the left side. This boy is right side of the arrow and this girl is left side. Right means daya and left means baya. R-I-G-H-T right. L-E-F-T left. Learn the spelling left right. See the next picture. This is our right hand and this is our left hand. We eat with our right hand. Understood? This is our right hand. This arrow is showing right and this arrow is showing left. Right, left. Right, left. See the next picture. In this picture, this car is turning on right side and this car is turning on left side. Turn right, turn left. Understood? Very good. So dear students, I hope you understood the concept of right and left. Keep learning, keep practicing, and thanks for watching.